Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonderful world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into an exciting word that can help you express progress and growth. The word of the day is better. As a noun, better means an improvement or advantage. Let's break that down and see how you can use it in your daily life. When we talk about better as an improvement, we often mean something that makes a situation, condition, or outcome superior to what it was before. For example, you might hear someone say, "The new plan is a real better for the team," meaning the plan is an improvement for everyone involved. It highlights progress and positive change, making it a powerful word for conversations about development and success. Some synonyms for better include improvement, advancement, and progress. For instance, you could say, "Her latest design is a huge improvement over the previous one," or "The changes led to remarkable progress in the project." These words carry a similar idea of moving towards something greater. On the other hand, antonyms for better include worsening, decline, and setback. Imagine someone saying, "The lack of communication caused a serious decline in team morale." Here, the opposite of better highlights a step backward or a loss of advantage. Now, let's talk about how to use better in everyday life. You might say, "I'm working hard to create a better for myself," to express your efforts toward improvement. In casual conversations, you could use it when discussing personal growth, workplace strategies, or even hobbies. For example, "The new coach has made a noticeable better in the team's performance." Let's practice with a few more sentences. The company's investment in technology brought a significant better to its operations. After months of study, he finally saw a better in his language skills. Introducing eco-friendly products has been a better for the environment. To sum up, better as a noun represents an improvement or advantage, and it's a great word to use when discussing progress in any area of life. Don't forget the synonyms like improvement and progress, or the antonyms like decline and setback to add variety to your conversations. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. If you enjoyed learning about better, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show and learn along with us. Before you go, I'd love to hear your take. Create your own sentence using better and share it in the comments. I'm Alex, and this has been Hello Word.
See you next time.